Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot install any games from a Google Play Store as they are in a pending mode in HONOR Magic5 Lite. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and right here try to download something like this. And as you can see, it's stuck in a pending mode. Now moving on to the fix, we'll need to enter our settings, then scroll all the way down to find System and Updates, enter date and time, and set time automatically. Now we can go back and try to download the same app. As you can see, it works fine now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.